DPF filter, podramnik. Now we're gonna remove the turbo.
Așa? Le-am scară.
Next turbo. We remove turbo. It's pretty dirt. It's quite dirty also. Probably it's not change oil on time. The first step is tightening 3/6 millimeters. Second step is 8 Newton meters. So it's much better now. Clean. Time chain kit from Gates factory. It's time chain, oil chain and other thing.
Ты точно все сделал?
120 Newton meters. We decided to change crankshaft bearings. It's not so bad, but anyway it's would be better with new camshaft bearings. Original. Can you see this line? It's word Mazda, Mazda, Mazda. It's mean original. Whole new time chain and oil chain. Three point and 2, 3 or free farge color chain. This one. I hope you can see this black and this dot. And this two dot between one. We're gonna put the oil pan back in the car, and the temperature in the garage should be at least 10 degrees. You need to apply sealant every corners. This and this one. It is absolutely necessary to clean injector seats. As you can see, it's all clean. Next. Second. Can you see? The second one also clean. Yeah, next 3. We not clean yet. Yeah, or 4. Yeah, 4. Yeah. You have to clean all 4 these seats. Yes, okay. So to make it easier to start engine, I'm gonna pump out some diesel through this small pipe. Okay, let's begin. As you can see, it's diesel with air. It's regular pump you can buy any store. It should be much easier to stop engine. I hope you see this bubble air. Finally, we've done it. A lot of work we did with this car. It's replacement turbo, replacement camshaft bearings, clean it all. Many works we've done with this car, and I will show you live data. So we can see brake booster pressure sensor, it's worked properly. It's 7.6. Its main vacuum pump, it's work good. After we check engine oil pressure, it's 130, 160, it's okay also. Engine oil temperature almost 50 degrees. Injector correction value, as you can see, it's also very good. First, second or first, it's very good, and it's also correct. 0.0, it's okay. So I found one fault. It's exhaust pressure sensor. It should be 105. It's ideal, but now it's 88, 87. I'm gonna change it also.